In the beginning, there was a block. Not just any block, but the Genesis block, the very first block in Bitcoin's blockchain. And with it, the world of money was changed forever. Let's take a deep dive into the mysterious origins of Bitcoin and how a simple line of code became a global movement. What is the Genesis block? On January 3, 2009, a pseudonymous figure named Satoshi Nakamoto mined Block 0, the Genesis block. This wasn't just the start of a blockchain, it was the beginning of a peer-to-peer monetary revolution. No banks, no governments, just code, math, and cryptographic truth, and embedded in that block was a message. The hidden message. Inside the Genesis block, Satoshi encoded a headline from The Times. The Times, January 3, 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. It wasn't just a timestamp, it was a statement, a critique of the centralized financial system. Bitcoin wasn't just created, it was born in protest. Why the Genesis block is special. Unlike other blocks, the Genesis block is hard-coded into the Bitcoin software. Its reward, 50 BTC, can never be spent. Satoshi intentionally made it unspendable. Why? To signal that this wasn't about personal gain. It was about building a better system. A spark that lit a fire. After mining the Genesis block, Satoshi mined a few more. Then others joined, slowly at first, then rapidly. Today, there are over 850,000 blocks in the Bitcoin blockchain, but it all started with one. The Genesis block is like Bitcoin's Big Bang. It set the chain in motion, then gave rise to a new financial paradigm. The legacy of Block 0. Even now, the Genesis block is celebrated every year on Bitcoin Genesis Day, January 3rd. It's not just about code, it's about freedom, decentralization, and trust without intermediaries. And while Satoshi has disappeared, the Genesis block remains immovable, immutable, and eternal. This is just one chapter in the story of Bitcoin. Subscribe to my channel for more deep dives, crypto insights, and tech content. Not financial advice, just crypto history, told right. Until next time, thanks for watching.